Hey guys, I'm looking for your help here. I'm trying to do more of the junkyard exploration, the junkyard tours that you guys seem to enjoy. Problem is, I'm in northern Wisconsin, so we already have snow, slush, and ice, and like one day is -15 and the next day is 30. So I'm looking for junkyards or private collections, ones that'll let me go through, get video. I mean, if it's not for sale, I'm sure you guys still want to see it, so it's worth mentioning. The big thing is that they'll let me go through in film and that there's enough to justify the trip. I would prefer to stay southern states, Texas, Arizona, stuff that's going to be warm and not covered in snow where you guys can actually see stuff. I would really prefer if people could have either very large ones or multiples to justify, the $800 round trip it's going to be to get down there and do all this stuff. So if you guys know of anything, like I said, private collections or junkyards, just as long as they're the classic stuff, I would say 1980 and older, not looking to tour any of the newer stuff. Typically, the stuff that's on the channel. If you guys know of anything, just drop it in the comments. Some people have called and mentioned ones too, that's okay as well. But again, southern states where I can have decent weather and make maybe 3-day trip out of it or so. So if you guys could do that, please share the video to all of your friends and family. Even if it's a junkyard that you've seen 100 times, the guy across the country hasn't, and I'm sure would love to see it. So if you guys could just kind of come together, share it all up, and maybe if it does well enough, I can do multiple trips around the country this winter to kind of get me out of the house and sharing some of that with you guys. So please comment down below any places that you know of and share the video so hopefully we can find a good amount of places. Thanks guys.